Welcome, and follow me as a Pixel 10 Pro, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen twice, which will bring down all your toggles, and then screen recording will be visible by default as the last icon, the circular one right here in the corner. You want to click on it, and by default it will try to record a application that is open, but we can tap on the drop down menu and change it to, for instance, the entire screen. And you can also record specific audio and also the touches on the screen, so it will record a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the display. Anyway, I'm gonna just keep it as it is and then start recording. This begins a 3-second countdown, and with the notification starts recording, though there won't be any notification, just vibration as I have it muted. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. There is a little bit of a limitation, though Google doesn't come with any kind of garbage apps, so I can't really showcase this. But I am gonna quickly explain it after I'm just, I don't know, open up something. Actually, this could possibly not be recorded, but we'll see. Anyway, from here we're gonna close this up and swipe down again. You will find a notification regarding your screen recorder. You can click stop to obviously save that recording to your gallery application or photos. Let's disregard that. We're gonna navigate to collections, and in here there is two possibilities. It's either going to show up under screenshots or videos, or both. In my case, it's probably not going to show up in either one of those, and would you look at that, I am correct. Oh no, never. Oh, no, yeah, I am correct. So these are not the ones that I have captured. As you can see, there is a different wallpaper. Now, this is the reason for that. Reason for that is because someone at the office is changing the settings for this shit, and I have no absolute slightest idea where this is getting saved and why it's not even showing up in here. But I can still actually play back the recording, the one that I have just captured, because there's a notification for it right here. So I can just click on it and it will take me to the screen recording, and I can actually check right here by just swiping up where it's located at. So it's storage, EMU, L emulated 0 movies. I'm kind of curious. Where is the photo application? Oh, that is a photo application. I want to check. As you've seen, it was obviously playing back, but let's go in here and I want to see this. This is located. Sheesh. This is located in. Huh? Why is there no location here? Okay, let's try something else then. Oh, these are from Samsung, so... Nope, that's where it was. Okay, could try this. Great. So... saved location here. Okay, you know what? I can't be bothered with this. Google is just being an annoying piece of trying to most likely upload this to their cloud and obfuscate where it's being saved. So yeah, the video that I showed is saved on the phone. That's where it's supposed to be. Now, what I wanted to say before about the limitation, there are some applications that will not allow you to record them. Such as application would be things like Netflix and, for instance, Spotify. Now, it's kind of ironic that, for instance, Spotify tries to prevent piracy of their content by blocking things like screen recorders, while they literally came into existence from piracy. Seems kind of freaking hypocritical to do this. But I'm also pointing that out because typically you don't get any kind of notification that you can't record this. You're gonna go on your merry way recording whatever you want, and when you're playing it back, you'll end up having a straight black screen with nothing visible on it because the application is just straight up blocking your screen recorder from seeing the screen. And furthermore, you might have never even given the application permission to do so. It doesn't give two shits about it. It will do it regardless. It's not your phone, it's their phone as far as they are concerned. You're just paying for it. So in cases like that, if you have any kind of reason to record some garbage applications like that most of the time come pre-installed with the devices, not this one specifically, there are alternatives which I highly recommend checking out now as long as you can, because next year Google is going to block those. And such as things like that would be, for instance, CloudStream, and that is great for basically any shows. It requires a little bit of a setup, but it doesn't require you to download anything and allows you to record it whatever you want. So you see, that's pretty good. And other options for instance, music and stuff like that, I highly recommend checking out something that starts with re and then continues with Vans. And the reason I'm not saying this, I don't even know if this will get flagged or not, is because of YouTube copyright and whatever crap they have. So it could still technically be flagged, but I'm pretty sure if you search for it, you'll find it. Anyway, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.